Hey everybody, this video is going to go over the homework for the Week 7 module. When you click on the Week 7 Homework Assignments tab, you're going to see 3 items listed. So the first item that's listed is a quiz over chapters 26 and 29. So you're definitely going to want to look over those 2 chapters before you attempt the quiz. Both chapters are part of our brief introduction to APA format. We are not writing research papers in this class, but I do want to make sure that you have a basic understanding of other classes before you get to Comp 2. So that's what these 2 chapters are about, starting our brief introduction to APA format. Once you read those chapters, then you can take the quiz. It's just like all the other quizzes that we've had so far this quarter. The next item in the homework assignments is the Week 7 discussion. And chapter 26 is going to come into play for this discussion as well. So the title of this week's discussion is Treat Your Sources Right. So I've asked you in the prompt to take a special look at pages 466 to 467 of chapter 26. And that little section has to do with how we end up not just plagiarizing necessarily, but just not using resources correctly. So you'll want to read the discussion prompt and then refer to those 2 pages to help you answer the prompt for the week. And then you have to respond to 2 of your classmates by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Please don't forget to respond to 2 of your peers. So we've got quiz over chapter 26 and 29, the weekly discussion that covers a little section of chapter 26. The third item in the homework list is the rough draft for essay number 2. So this will function just like the rough draft did for essay number 1. So you'll go to the assignment, it will explain it to you, it will remind you to refer back to the assignment packet if you need to, which was in the Week 6 module. And you'll do your rough draft. You'll do it in a Word document, make sure it's double spaced, and you will attach it and submit it. I will download it, make my comments in it, attach that to the feedback, and you will be able then to use my comments to help you revise. Remember, this essay is the evaluation essay. We've covered the PowerPoint and some sample essays for this one. This is your rough draft, so it's okay if it's rough, but do try to make it complete. So try to make sure you at least have the beginning, the middle, and the end. Even if we need to work on them, at least I have something, a complete draft to help you with. If you have any questions about it, let me know. Otherwise, it's due Sunday night by 11:59 p.m. Obviously, the sooner you submit it, the sooner I will have a chance to look at it and get the feedback to you. It seemed to work okay going with the order that they were submitted when I did it with the first essay. So just keep that in mind. The sooner you get it turned in, the more time you're going to have to revise it for the final draft. So that rough draft is due by the start of week 8. I will use week 8 to read them and make my comments. You should have your rough draft back by the start of week 9, probably sooner though. And then you will have week 9 to make your revisions, and the final draft will be due at the start of week 10. So that's the assignments for the Week 7 module. You've got the quiz over chapter 26 and 29. You have the Week 7 discussion, which goes along with a small section of chapter 26. And then you have the rough draft for essay number 2. If you have any questions about any of the assignments, let me know. Otherwise, good luck, and I look forward to reading your rough drafts.